Hello. We are recording this on March 24th, so everybody wish Avery a happy birthday. She
Thank
turned
you.
15 today. If I remember correctly, I think Heaven also has a birthday today. So Heaven, happy belated birthday by the time you watch this. And how do you like her new hair? Isn't that super cute? Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on lenses. So lenses are made out of clear material, typically either glass or plastic. And there are two different types of lenses that we're going to focus on today. We're going to focus on concave lenses and convex lenses. And so you're probably wondering, I wonder what the difference is between those two. I wonder. Before we go into that, let's talk about how a lens works. So a lens works through refraction. And do you remember what refraction of light does?
Refraction is the bending or breaking of light.
Good. So when light bends, it causes changes in the image. So remember our pencil? When the light bent, it made the pencil appear to be broken in the cup. So today we're going to look at what light does when it goes through a concave and a convex lens. Before we do that, let's talk about the difference between the two. Avery, I'm going to come closer to you. If you could maybe hold it above the pool table so we can see it really well. Let's start with the convex lens. Okay, so if you look at the convex lens on the side, what you can't really see is that the convex lens is
You can kind of see it.
Yeah, so the
It goes
convex lens bulges out on both sides. If you've ever felt a magnifying glass, that's a convex lens. So it bulges out on both sides. Concave lens, on the other hand, goes in on both sides. I wish you could feel it, but trust me. So it goes in on both sides. Now, because of it bulging out and bulging or going inward, it's going to do different things to an image. So let's start with the concave lens because that's the one that's easier to remember. So a concave lens will make images appear smaller. Concave lenses are used like in TV projectors to make the light rays spread out more. And a concave lens, remember, goes in. The way that I remember that is it caves in, and the way that I remember what it does is that if you have to go into a cave, you have to bend down and get small. So a concave lens caves in. If you go into a cave, you have to bend down so you don't hit your head, and so you're making yourself smaller, so a concave lens will make images appear smaller. A convex lens then will do the exact opposite. So convex lenses are found in magnifying glasses. They're sometimes found in regular glasses, like my reading glasses. When I put them on, sometimes my eyes look really big. But a convex lens makes images appear larger. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Hi. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we have all of these words here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a drop of water on the words. Whoops, I didn't do a very good job of that. But if you can look, it makes the words underneath that a little bit larger. If it's making the words larger, what kind of lens would that be that makes things appear bigger?
Convex.
Convex lenses make things appear larger. And we're going to show that again with the actual lenses. So let's start with the convex. Convex makes things appear bigger. So if you can...
Which one? Probably.
Here, let me do that. Okay. Why is it so hard
Your
to
camera's
there
over
you
here.
go. Oh, well okay.
Oh,
All right. Okay, technical things. So that, there it is before, and there it is now. There it is before, and there it is now. What kind of lens is this again?
Convex.
Convex makes things appear larger. It bulges out. Large bulges. It bulges out on the side. Where's the other one? Okay. Remember, concave, caves in, and you have to get smaller to get inside a cave. Okay. So here we are, and there we are. Here we are, and there we are. So it's making the words appear smaller. So a concave lens, actually that's better if it's further away. So there it is now, there it is. Larger, smaller, larger, smaller. Cave, get small to get in the cave so you don't hit your head. The lens caves in on the sides there. Okay, I think that's all for concave and concave lenses. Let's review. Concave. Does a lens bulge in or out?
What do you mean bulge? It goes, concave goes in.
Goes in. So concave caves in and it makes images
smaller,
like you're going in a cave and you don't want to bump your head. Convex
bulges out
and the bulge is fatter or bigger. So a convex lens will make things appear larger. Okay, have a great day. Oh, don't forget after you've watched the videos to make sure you're completing the attendance sheet. And if there's any HyperDoc pages, make sure you're doing those. Also going through the presentation and watching my preview of the presentation. So watch my preview video first before the presentation, then go back and do the presentation, and then also that attendance sheet. I'm going to be checking in the rest of this week those HyperDoc pages to make sure they're done. So yeah, get on that. All right, hope you're having a great day. Bye.